Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well, and I want to take a couple of minutes today and go over another Kubey knife. Probably the Kubey that I think has the best action and has the most pop, and that is, and what I've noticed, guys, is they've actually started naming Kubeys. So this is the Kubey Coeus, which is formerly known as, and I still know it as, the Ku-122. It's a smaller knife, small to medium. You can see in my medium large size hands, I can get a full 4-finger grip on it, but it is smaller than the 322 and some of the other Kubeys in my collection. It's a center or finger stud only or finger slot only deployment, which it just fires out, and it's tuned. The detent's tuned fantastically for it. Has a liner lock with great action to the liner lock, and pretty well drop shutty if I wasn't horizontal here. But you can hear the snap that that knife has, and it's a really reminiscent of kind of a Spyderco shaped leaf style blade, even though it's more pointy and has that splinter remover at the end, but comes down to a real lasery flat grind edge. The blade stock is very, I think, great for EDC, kind of a thin blade stock to make this knife very slicey. Not a hard work knife by any means, but definitely a great EDC knife. Has a deep carry pocket clip, D2 steel, and a G10 handle. Has some really nice jimping up here on the actual spine of the knife to keep you from going too far forward. Even if you choke up on that knife, that jimping does give you a lot of positive traction. But this little knife has really impressed me because it carries well, and it's just one that I'll sit and fidget with. It's a lower cost knife. I want to say this knife, I want to say it was under 40, because this one was right around $39 on Amazon. You can still find it on Amazon in a bunch of different colors. But just a great valued knife. Let's take it just a second and look at it and try to get an idea of what the size is against some knives that we've looked at before, like our Cold Steel 4 Max. It's going to be a good deal smaller than the 4 Max and the Civivi Baby Banter. It's going to come in larger than the Baby Banter. Let's take a look at it next to our Benchmade Bug Out. Right about the same length as the Benchmade Bug Out, guys, even though it has a taller blade and a little bit smaller handle. It's going to come out to be right in that size range of the Benchmade Bug Out. Smaller than the pair too. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how it sizes out. Now, of course, with it having overlay scales and full stainless steel liners, it's going to be thicker than the Bug Out, but not by a ton. And I would say the weights are pretty consistent because this is a very petite knife. But it's a great knife if you're looking for something that's kind of a light carry EDC knife that is slicing, whether it's slicing fruit, food prep, or cutting into packages, letters, things that aren't going to put too much strain on your blade. This is a great contender, and I've been really impressed with what Kubey's been putting out, and this knife is no exception. So the Ku-122, aka the Coeus, Coeus. Guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right, and continue to look out for each other. Move forward in love. If you have disagreements, go with debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.